Ubiquiti Router setup and VoIP configurations. The items we will need today are the Ubiquiti Edge Router X. This is required. Optionally, we have the Ubiquiti Unify Access Point, and we will also need Ethernet cables. None are included in the box, so you may have to purchase these separately if needed. To start, we're going to unbox the Ubiquiti router. Included in the box is a power adapter and the device itself. Next, plug the power adapter into the back of the router and the other end in a power outlet. Once it's powered, a green LED will appear above the PWR LED indicator. As shown, use an Ethernet cable, plug one end into ETH0 on the router. This is the leftmost port. Now use the other end of the Ethernet cable and plug that into the computer. Now that the computer is plugged into the router, we need to change our IP address. To get started, go to the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel and go to Network and Internet. Then, click Network and Sharing Center. Then, on the top left, select Change Adapter Settings. A new window will appear. Select the Ethernet option and right-click. Then click on Properties. Within Properties, double-click on Internet Protocol version 4. Again, a new window will appear. Now select using the following IP address. This will let you enter details as follows. Change the IP address to 192.168.1.4. Select the subnet mask to autofill. Change the default gateway to 192.168.1.1. Then click OK and OK once again. Now that we have set our IP address, open a browser and type in 192.168.1.1 into the address bar. A security prompt will most likely appear. Select Advanced, then Continue. Now agree to the terms and log in with UBNT as the username and UBNT as the password, all lowercase. Once in, it will prompt asking if you'd like to start with a basic setup wizard. Click Yes. Keep everything as is and set a password below. Then click Apply, apply again, and reboot the router. The next step includes switching cables around. Start by changing the laptop's port from ETH0 to ETH1. Now that ETH0 is empty, plug the modem or bridge device into ETH0. Now we need to change our IP address back to obtain automatically. Again, go to the Control Panel, Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center, then change Adapter Settings. Now right-click on Ethernet and select Properties. Within the new window, go to Internet Protocol version 4 and double-click to open. Then select Obtain an IP address automatically, then click OK and OK again. We want to go back into the router settings now and change Sip and UDP Settings. Start by going to the address 192.168.1.1. Enter UBNT along with your new password. Click on the CLI command line interface button towards the top right. Within the new window, type your username, UBNT, and hit enter. Type your password and hit enter again. Type configure and hit enter. Type set system contract modules SIP disable and hit enter. Type commit and hit enter. Hit refresh. Now type save, enter, and then type exit and hit enter. Now type configure again and hit enter. Type set system contract timeout UDP stream 300 and hit enter. Type set system contract timeout UDP other 300 and hit enter. Type commit and hit enter. Hit refresh. Now type save and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. To add our quality of service setting, we will first need to know our internet speed. Please visit www.speedtest.net and click Run. This will provide you with an upload and download speed. For best results, run this test 3 times and take the average of the numbers. Now, to add our quality of service setting, visit 192.168.1.1 and enter your router's login details. Then, select the QoS tab. Enter a policy name. We chose to name ours QoS. Select ETH0 as the WAN interface. For upload rate, enter your average from the speed test. For your download rate, enter the average from your speed test. Click Apply to save. The router is now set up. Onto the wireless access point. Unbox the wireless access point, also known as an AP. This includes the device, mounting equipment, and the PoE injector. Plug the PoE injector into the power outlet. Then plug the WAN port into an open port on the router. We chose to pick ETH2. From the PoE injector, plug the PoE port into the port on the back of the AP device. Now, from your laptop or computer, download the Unified Controller software from Ubiquity's website. After installed, run the program. This may take several minutes to load. Once loaded, click the button Launch a browser to manage the network. After the browser opens, it may indicate the website is not secure. Select Details and then Continue. Now the Unify Setup Wizard will launch. Start by selecting your country and time zone. Then click Next. If connected to the router still, the AP will appear. Select it and click Next. Now, select a name for your Wi-Fi and a security key. This will be your password to access your Wi-Fi. Optionally, you can enable a separate guest network. To access the controller later, please create a user account and click Next. It will now confirm your details, and you may click Finish.